Hey guys, I am missing you all so much. I wanted to hop on and share some really fun things that I think we can work on this week. First, we have Virtual Spirit Week. All of the days for Spirit Week are posted on our class dojo. So if you log on to our class dojo, you can see exactly what you're supposed to be doing each day, and you may post those pictures on dojo and send them to me, or you can post them on our Facebook page. We have a concrete primary PTSO Facebook page that you can link it to. We also have a school Twitter page that you can tag it on. And there's some really fun hashtags they put in there so we can collect them all and have them and see what all our friends across the school at Concrete are doing while we're not together. So I thought that would be really fun, and I can't wait to see all of your virtual Spirit Week pictures. Secondly, we are going to have another Zoom or WebEx meeting. I'm not sure which one we're going to use yet. I will send a link out to your parents about which one we're going to use. It's going to be tomorrow at 10:30. So I will see all of you there hopefully at 10:30 on our virtual meeting. For this meeting, it will be really fun if we bring one thing that we really want to share with the class. So it's going to be like a show and tell. So if you have one thing that you just really want to show your friends, bring it, and we're going to each take a turn talking about our special item, and then we might get to ask each other some questions. So I can't wait to see you all tomorrow at 10:30. Finally, I know how happy it makes me when I get pictures or drawings. I send them to Miss Graham if you've drawn something for Miss Graham, and it just makes us so happy because we miss you all so much. So thank you for your pictures, your drawings, and your videos. Keep them coming because we miss you guys. But I was thinking about some of our other favorite people at school who aren't getting pictures and videos, but I know you miss them. Our related arts friends like Miss Dent, Miss Payne, Miss Gregory, Miss Wright, Coach Hall, all our favorite people. I bet they're missing you, and I know they would love to see maybe a drawing that you do, or maybe a picture of you doing your related arts activity, or you can even make a video like some of you guys have made for me. So if you want to make a picture drawing or video for one of those special people, you can send them to me through email or dojo, and I will pass them along. I know they are missing you all just as much as you're missing them. I think that's it for all the fun things that are going to be going on. If you need any help with your e-learning or you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you to everyone who submitted their e-learning this past Friday. It was so great to be able to see some of the work you all are doing, and I'm so proud of it. You're doing an awesome job. I hope to see you all very soon. I love you very, very much, and I'll see you at our virtual meeting tomorrow. Bye!